Jordan Trunner OS is making a strong return this fall, recently spotted on Jalen Hurts as he reported to Eagles training camp. With a bold university red colorway, its mesh and synthetic upper combined with aggressive tooling pays tribute to Michael Jordan's early 2000s off-season style. Originally designed for training comfort, the Trunner OS blends performance features with a retro lifestyle edge, making it just as fit for workouts as for everyday wear. Minimal branding allows the silhouette and color to stand out on their own. Jordan Brand is set to release several colorways globally in October, aiming to attract fans of nostalgic runners and tunnel-style fashion. As the model returns with fresh energy, its unique fusion of Y2K heritage and modern-day appeal is sure to resonate. Expect more details and a Nike.com Jordan launch announcement soon as anticipation builds.